Welcome back to MOTOBLADE, everyone. Today is the last day, the last video that I am shooting with my Indian Chief Dark Horse. The time has come for a new bike. I am super excited. I could hardly sleep last night. I'm taking this baby to the dealership right now. We're going to trade her in on a new bike, and it will actually be a new bike. First time I haven't gotten a used bike before, so that'll be a new experience for me. Having to actually run a bike through a break-in period. I've enjoyed this bike. I've learned a lot. It's my first big bike, kind of, compared to my Vulcan S, and I've enjoyed it. I've run the tail of the Dragon several times. I ended up laying it over. It was the first bike I ended up kind of crashing. And if you guys haven't seen my video on that, be sure to check out when I crashed this baby. But I am super excited for my new bike. I have enjoyed my Indian. I love her. But times be a-changin'. I wanted to do some upgrades to the bike, and I figured, well, it's going to be pretty expensive. How about I just look for a bike that has what I want on it anyway, kind of. And so that's where we're at. So we are going to actually go grab some lunch here at one of my favorite spots, Couch's Barbecue. Get us some grub, and then we are headed to the dealership. And the next thing you guys are going to see is a brand new motorcycle. Stick around. Guys, I am so excited to be riding my brand new 2018 Chieftain Dark Horse. I did get this after the 2019s were released because I prefer the 2018 style of the Chieftain far more. I just think it looks much more like a classic Indian motorcycle, and I like it just way more than the 2019s. This bike is absolutely amazing. I am going to have a full review video coming up within the next couple weeks. It's going to take me some time to film it and do it right and do this bike justice. And I will have the most amazing review of this bike for you guys fairly soon on the channel. Oh, that is a lot of traffic. I am glad I'm not going that way. Friday afternoon in Chattanooga, y'all. Not where you want to be. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed looking at all the beautiful views and shots I got of this bike. And thank you for always sticking with me through the Vulcan S and the Indian Chief Dark Horse, and now the 2018 brand new 15 miles on it now. 15 miles on it, brand new Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. That means a lot. It lets me know that you guys appreciate what I'm doing here and you like the hard work I put into these. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. Helps me build this channel up and grow this awesome motorcycling community that you guys have really helped me make here at MOTOBLADE. Also, hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. That will give you guys notifications when there are new videos ready for you to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. Particularly that upcoming 2018 Chieftain Dark Horse in-depth full review that I will have for you guys as soon as I can. You aren't going to want to miss that, so be sure to hit the bell icon and get those notifications after you subscribe. That's going to do it, y'all. Until next time, be careful out there, ride safe, ride on, and I will catch y'all later. Deuces.
He won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today.